Hi there traders, this is Kingdom Trade 001 Zulu Trade Provider, and I just wanted to run through with you a trade that I've taken recently on the US dollar Japanese yen pair. I just want to say, how helpful Jarrett's teachings are in combining these fundamental analysis with your existing technical analysis. I just wanted to show you how I recently made a trade. This morning, Jarrett was telling us that the market is going to be dollar positive, so people are looking at buying the US dollar, and you can see that very clearly on the dollar yen chart here, the daily chart. You can see that after the surprise US election result with Donald Trump being elected, the market perceived that as a dollar bullish signal, and the dollar's been being bought up steadily day after day. And this wasn't a trade that I was in, so I was thinking to myself, how can I get into that trade? Well, some of the principles that Jarrett's teaching really helped me today in order to do that. I can see from my technical analysis, in fact, it's not very hard to see that the dollar really is being bought up and it's bullish. I can see the green is trading above the red and above the yellow, so everything about this market is buying. On the weekly chart, you can see again, it's a very bullish environment. On the daily, it's a very bullish environment. On the 4-hour chart, again, we have a bullish environment. So I was looking to get into this, and this is how I did it. And I knew that later on this afternoon, in GMT time at 1:30, there was the US core retail sales coming out. And I knew that actually, if I was wanting to buy the dollar, I would be waiting to see what happened with those core retail sales result, because that's a significant report, and any significant deviation is going to influence traders one way or the other. And I waited for that report to come out, and it came out, and it was an unexpected rise. So 0.6% was the expected figure, and it ended up being 0.8% rise in core retail sales. So very significant in order to continue buying the dollar. So you can see that this is the candle at which the news came out. Now, from a technical perspective, this was a dead giveaway to me, because you can see here that these coiling inside bars, there's a mother candle there, and you've really, there's a little false break that side, there's a false break that side, but basically prices within that very narrow range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hours. So the market is really looking for a reason to break out of there. So I knew when the core retail sales came unexpectedly high, as it broke these highs, that was the signal for me to get long, and I got long around 108.59. I put my stop just here above below the 108.10 region, because I knew that if price reversed back down on the news, I knew something was not right, and I definitely wanted out. But I entered there at 108.59, and I just took that trade. Oh, sorry, someone's trying to call me, and just ignore that. And I knew I took that trade. That was a good trade to be in, and I was able to join this dollar yen bullish momentum. But it's only on the 1-hour chart and had a very tight stop, so I wasn't wanting to wait a long time. I wanted to make someone's really persistent. I wanted to make sure that I took my profit and went out early. So I was targeting this 109 area, and in the end I just took profit just before it for a total of 23.7 points. Not a huge trade, but it just goes to show you, that you can, when you're looking out for these opportunities, using the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis, you can make good results. Okay, I'm going to take this call. They're desperate to speak to me. Okay, bye for now.